We're here in Collegetown Center. Let's take a look at studio apartment 412. We're on the 4th floor of this 6th floor building. Let's go on in. This is a north rectangle, which is one of our typical style of apartments here in the building. You can see in the kitchen we have the refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, stove, some cabinets above. We'll go into the main part of the apartment here ahead of us. Let's take a look. As we go on in, you can see our closet is on our left. This is the same layout as we've seen in many of the other studio apartments. These even number apartments, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, and 24, do have the same layout. Here's the closet. The difference will be in the position on the floor, and so what you'll see out the window. We'll take a look at that. We also want to show you some furniture choices for how you can lay out your apartment. There's lots of different ways to style your apartment. It's up to you to move your items around however you find is a nice fit for your needs. In the bathrooms, they'll be the same. We'll always have the full-size tub shower, that vanity. There's the toilet over here. Here we go. Let's go take a look out the window. In this number 12 apartment, we are one of the ones that's farther to the west end of the building. So we're still here in Central Collegetown. We have that great Collegetown view where you can really see what's going on. Some great people watching here. You can see Collegetown Plaza over to our left. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see over there we've got some more green, and the southern tip of Cuba Lake is out there, which is especially nice in the fall and winter to be able to see a little bit more outside. So that's a look here in Collegetown Center at studio apartment number 412. A north rectangle, we have this style of apartment on floors 2 through 6 on the north or street side of the building. The differences will be exactly what you see out the window, but the layout of the apartments will always be the same.